absolutely fabulous. I started drinking his tea probably in August of 2007. I was taking 8 different prescriptions. They didn't even know what was wrong with me, and now I'm completely off of every medication, and I go to the doctor for a yearly checkup, and they go, wow, you look great. So.
Fantastic. So right now you are carrying a child.
Yes, this is my Holy Tea baby. I'm going to be having this baby in about 6 weeks, and I've had a wonderful pregnancy compared to the other 6 girls that are pregnant at work, and I don't have the heartburn, I don't have the constipation, I don't have the hypertension with my pregnancy. I've had just a really nice, healthy pregnancy, and the doctors are kind of concerned with my weight gain because I've only gained 7 pounds and I'm 34 weeks pregnant, and they did an ultrasound 2 weeks ago. The baby's a good 4 pounds, and they said that was like 51 percentile on the growth chart, so that's perfect, he said. That's just the perfect weight gain, and we're just not going to worry about you not gaining weight. It's all baby. So I was excited.
So you didn't drink the tea and get pregnant, right?
Well, no, I was drinking the tea before I got pregnant, so it's a Holy Tea baby because I was already drinking the tea. I was taking birth control pill while on the tea, but they had warned me, and I really just didn't worry about it. And there's a little method. You got to drink the tea so many hours before you take that particular medicine, or take the medicine and then wait so many hours to drink the tea. And I just kind of was, well, if it happens, it happens. We didn't know what we wanted to do, so we just said, well, we'll see what God plans, and God planned Holy Tea baby.
That's awesome. So if you could say one thing to people that are watching this that might not believe that this tea works, what would you say to that person?
Try it, because your own experience will be amazing, and that will just answer more things than any amount of words can ever say.